Welcome back everybody, back to Nifty Media guys. Today we'll be fixing the lip with something cool called Q-Bond. Let me show you what it is. Let's start prepping the surfaces we're going to put the Q-Bond on, and then we can start applying it. It's pretty much like a super glue hybrid kind of thing, where you have like a powder and a super glue that kind of sets into a hard plastic. Okay. So just applying some water, and let's go for it. I'm using like a 320 grit so that I can just get all the lines off, and then I'll move up to like the 800 grit afterwards. This is just water and a little bit of dish soap. And it's quite simple. Yo! So did you guys check the Ken Block died? That's pretty crazy, right? I mean, he was quite a legend, how about that? I think he inspired a lot of people. Back. So I'm busy sanding down, prepping the outside of the lip before I start gluing. I finally finished prepping the outside of the lip, sanding it down. Let me show you guys how I'm going to fill the cracks and make sure that they're flush, so that when I spray the primer over and the black, it's not going to look all bumpy and stuff like that. So it consists of two parts: the like super glue type stuff, and then it also has the kind of stuff that you use to fill. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this over, and then I'm going to put the super glue stuff on, and then it's going to set really hard. Okay, so you guys can see there's like little bits of black, like sand kind of stuff. So I'm just filling the gaps slightly with it, so that I can get, hey, it's not, yeah. So what I did do is I did poke a hole in the top. I did poke a hole in the top so that it comes out like I'm pouring it. Okay, so let me show you guys. So you see what I mean? It kind of closes the gap, and then if you want to add some more, you can. So what you do is you just sprinkle some on, and then it will kind of fill the gaps. It's amazing stuff, this. Pretty scary to work with, but it actually really works very well. Okay. After filling these gaps and then doing this part as well, let me show you guys the next crack that we are going to fill. It's over here. So we're going to fill this crack over here. We're going to line that up, and we're going to make sure that it's sealed all the way through to there. Okay, let's start filling. And to drink. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the lip like this. So now I'm going to put some on that area there so that I can close. Okay, so welcome back, guys. Let me show you guys what it's like in filling this stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit down, just a base, so it's just a little base. So that everything's got something to attach onto. Okay, so I've put some in. I've kind of filled it. So let me carry on filling, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I sand it down. So I'm just doing another top coat. Hey guys, if you guys want to see more about what I'm doing, stay updated, like, subscribe and comment to Nifty Media, and check out the next vlog for how we're going to sand it down, prep it for spraying it back.